প্রথমে একজন ডু দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করবে, তারপর একজন ডাব্লিউএস কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যাড করবে, যে কোনো ডাব্লিউএস কোয়েশ্চেন, রাইট? সো লেটস স্টার্ট ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান।
Do you like to play piano?
No, I don't like to play piano.
So why don't you like to play piano?
I don't like to play piano because I don't know how to play it.
Oh.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Where do you like to travel?
I like to travel in different places, for example, seaside areas and hilly areas.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I celebrate my birthday.
When do you celebrate your birthday?
Thanks for asking. I celebrate my birthday on 23rd October.
Do you like to speak in English?
Yes, I like to speak in English.
Why do you like to speak in English?
Well, in my future, I want to be an English teacher. That's why I like speaking in English.
Do you draw pictures?
Yes, I draw pictures.
What kind of pictures do you like most?
Well, I like most the comic pictures and a lot of other pictures.
Do you like to eat ice cream?
Yes, I like to eat ice cream.
Why do you like eat ice cream?
I like to eat ice cream because it's tasty.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, I like to watch cartoon.
Why do you like to watch cartoons?
I like to watch cartoon because it gives me pleasure.
Do you like to use Google?
Yes, I like to use Google.
Why do you like to use Google?
I like to use Google for study purposes.
Do you like to go to sea beach?
Yes, I like to go to sea beach.
Why you go to sea beach?
I like to go to sea beach for my pleasure.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read